Hello there. This video is about the quite depressing topic of food security. And now this is obviously not around security around food in terms of guarding it. This is around the security of the food supply for the global population. Now, in a nutshell, really what's happening is we've got a population that's growing in numbers and people need food to eat, obviously. This requires agriculture, farming and producing of food, whether that's vegetable or animal. And those activities, among others, are contributing to climate change, which affect our ability to produce food. Now, the factors at play are that there are populations growing in developing countries who are also changing their diets, moving from vegetarian to more meat eating as they adopt a Western food culture. Now, meat requires far more energy, far more land, far more water to produce. We've also got increasing birth rates, we've got lower mortality rates, so a growing population. And then in amongst all of that, the effects of climate change means that there are areas of land that are becoming less suitable for farming, areas of land that are in danger of becoming flooded as ocean levels rise. And so we're going to have large populations of people who are essentially climate refugees that are migrating. They will be probably quite poor, unable to afford food, so there's an effect on people's ability to buy food. And then finally, as that land becomes less suitable for farming, it's going to affect our ability to produce food without it rising in cost. So all in all, quite a depressing picture. Food security is around, as I say, our ability as a community, as a planet, to supply enough food for our demands, and it's under pressure in those ways. Hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.